Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have another package from Grove Collaborative that I thought I would share with you guys. I am really liking their products, and it is amazing how some good products that smell so nice can make you want to clean. So I'll take all the help in that area that I can get. And so this is like a renewable service. They every month will send you whatever you want, and they will renew whatever you bought the last time, unless you go in there and change it. But they do give you plenty of warning that they're going to do that, so it's easy to find and change. I haven't had any problem yet with that, which is great, because usually I don't like these kind of services because of that. I feel like they either don't give you enough warning, or the warning looks generic and you delete it from your inbox or whatever. But this time the warnings, with this, I feel like the warnings are pretty good. I got these wool dryer balls. I don't know if you guys have heard of these or seen these, but these are handmade from New Zealand wool. And I have box mess on me. And this is a 3-pack. Load clothes into the dryer, toss all 3 wool balls in, and press start. It's that easy. For a lovely natural scent, add 3 to 6 drops of your favorite essential oils to the wool balls. So this is what they look like. And I've heard that they are really good at making sure that your laundry is static free and is fresh and comes out not too wrinkly. There's no smell to them by themselves. So I think that's kind of fun. And I think I got some essential oil to go with that too. I have a Preserve Shave 5. This is interesting. 4 5-blade cartridges. I don't have the shaver. I don't think I bought this. Maybe this is a free sample. I'm hoping that there is the shaver in here. I got some more of this Bon Ami cleaner. It's kind of like Ajax or whatever. It's just a powder cleaner, and this really does work well, and this is going to go for my bathtub upstairs. I also have some of this hand soap in lilac. I love this scent, and I just got a new lilac bush. As a matter of fact, I love this scent so much, and it's just a small tiny little bush, so hopefully it will take hold and will blossom here soon. It should be any time that, well, the other, I have like a real one that should be. It's right outside my window. My husband really cut it down, but I see some blooms on it, so it should hopefully be smelling pretty good here soon. And then this is for my bathroom, so as soon as I'm finished with the one that's in there, I'm going to put this in there. This is laundry detergent packs. So these are the little, like the Tide packs. This is in the Method. And this is in the scent Beach Sage. And there are 42 of them in here. So that's kind of nice. I thought that I would try those. I haven't tried those yet. And I have some room freshener. I think this was free for sure. And this is in the lavender scent, which is a wonderful scent. So that's nice. I really like the lavender, and I really like the lilac. Actually, there's not a scent well, that's not true. I'm just going to say the ones that I've picked I've all liked. Now the lavender scent is really nice if you want to spray some on your pillows before you go to bed. Oh, it makes it feel like you're in a fancy hotel. And then I got some mint scented multi-surface cleaner. I haven't tried the mint scent yet. I've had the spearmint, which I like, but I wanted to try the mint, so let's see. Oh yeah, it's very good. See, and their scents are like not overpowering. They're very nice and kind of a subtle, clean scent. And I really like that with their products. So I am excited about that. And then I have this Method laundry detergent. I haven't tried the laundry detergent either. I've only tried the fabric softener. Now I should have an essential oil in there, so I'll still look here in a second. But this is how it comes. So that's very nice that they protect it so well. Small bottle, big results. So it does say that this is concentrate, so you only use a little bit. This is supposed to be 66 loads. This is 4 times concentrate, so you've got to be careful when you're using it, so you're not overusing it. I'm either going to have to tell the guys that or just not let them use it. Oh, it smells really good. The scent is what? Ginger mango. Very nice. I like this a lot. So that'll be good. Now, oh good. I was thinking I should have some essential oil in there. It doesn't look like there's a razor though. That is so interesting. Let's see here. Hand sanitizer, that's probably one of these. The laundry detergent, hand soap, air freshener, replacement blades, they're on there. Powder cleaner, hand soap. Oh, foaming hand soap. Okay, so I've got 2 different hand soaps. I like the foaming hand soap the best. So what scent is this? This is lavender. So this is, where's the other hand soap? Oh, here it is. So it's the same kind. I mean, Meyer's Clean Day. But this one is foaming, and I like foaming a little better than just regular hand soap, so we shall see how that works out. And then here is a blood orange hand sanitizer. I know that that was a freebie. And then here is my eucalyptus essential oil. This is 1 ounce, so this would be nice to put on the wool balls, I thought. Ooh, that smells good. Very nice and very strong, but that's what you want it to be. So that's exciting. See, this kind of makes me crazy because I'm excited to do laundry now. Seriously, isn't that bizarro? But I get to use new laundry detergent. I get to use the little wool balls with the fun this, and it's just crazy, but it really does work. So if that's something that you struggle with or something that you might like, I highly, recommend that you try out the Grove Collaborative just because it's fun to get the package and it's fun to try it all. So that's my haul for today. I'm gonna have to go on there and figure out why I got this, and if I ordered it, I wonder what I meant to order, and then if I did order it, or even if I didn't, I guess I need to get the razor part too. Funny. I mean, I don't know, razor blades aren't cheap, so who knows what I did. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye-bye.